Is it started recording? Yes. So now we will see, yes, over here. Here it has been said, all those examples which we had seen now, okay, they are forming some patterns. Might be the patterns of common difference, might be different other patterns of multiplication or a square, okay. So there are several types of pattern. As I had said, in further classes you will be reading about GP, HP, okay, geometric progression, harmonic progression. They are the different forms of pattern. But here it has been said, in this chapter we will discuss one of these pattern, and that pattern have common difference, which in which succeeding terms are obtained by adding a fixed number. That means same number is added in coming preceding terms. Like over here, if you will see, 1 is being added in 1, 1 added 2, again 1 added 3, again 1 added 4. So by adding 1, the next term is coming. Here if you will see, minus 30 is added in all, or you can say 30 is subtracted in all. So there is common difference. We shall also see how to find their nth term. If we know, in this way it is given and it is asked what will be its 15th term, then we will be able to give the answer. We will learn here how to form general term formula by watching its common difference or first term. Okay, these all things we will be learning over here. And we will be applying these relations to solve our daily life problems, as it has been said. Now let's see arithmetic progression. Of course, here again. Now here, whatever the examples it are given, okay, these all are AP. They all have got common difference. Here the common difference is 1. Here it is minus 30. Here it is plus 1. Here the common difference is plus 1. 1 is being added. Here common difference is 0. Here common difference is minus 0.5. Are you all getting me? So these all digits which are separated by comma, they are called term of AP. Since there is common difference, so it forms AP, arithmetic progression. Okay. So this all you will be reading now. At over here it has been said, in all the list above we see the successive terms are obtained by adding a fixed number in the preceding terms. Such list of number is said to form an arithmetic progression, that is AP. It means if in any progression there occurs a common difference, then such progressions are called arithmetic progressions. Or you can say a fixed pattern whose preceding terms comes by adding a particular number is said to be in arithmetic progression. Okay, even over here another definition it has been given. An arithmetic progression is a list of number in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number of preceding terms except the first term. That means, of course, first term, when you will watch only one number, then we are not getting the pattern. When you are finding two numbers, okay, like if it is 5 and 8, then we can say yes, it has been increased by 3. If we are seeing another number, then we get confirmed, yes, every numbers are being increased by 3 only. So it is in AP. But if it will be like this, 5, 8, 12, then after let it be, okay, 3 increased, 4 increased, 5 increased, 17. So of course this is also forming a pattern, but this is not AP, because here difference is not common. It keeps on changing. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So now, here if you will see, this fixed number is called common difference. Yes, what is? From that time I was saying common difference is there, common difference is there. The number which is different from others, like earlier also there were example, like if it is 100, then after it is what saying, let it be 90, then after 80, then after 70, then what happens? Each numbers are differing from 10 and it is becoming 10 less. So here common difference is what? Common
10.
difference is minus 10, because minus 10 is being added. And of course, common difference finding formula is, when it is said to find common difference, then common difference finding formula is what? Tn minus Tn minus 1. Do you understand what this Tn and then after Tn minus 1 represent? Tn represents the further term, like our here if you will see, this is term 1, T1. Then this becomes term 2, this becomes term 3, this becomes term 4. In this way it goes up to any term, let it be Tn. That means if you are taking Tn, suppose if you are taking T4, then from there we will be subtracting n minus 1 terms, that means before 1 terms, that is T3, T4 minus T3, okay, or T3 minus T2, 1 less, or T2 minus T1. So you just see, of course, when there it is, when any progression is in arithmetic progression, then their difference will be always same. Like from T2, from 90 we had subtracted 100. What it will get? Minus 10. That is common difference. In same way, from T3 when we are subtracting T2, that means from 80 we are subtracting 90. Of course, minus 10. In same way, when we will subtract what? T4 from T2, that is 70 minus 80, then it will become minus 10. So what is this? These all are common difference. Okay. So for finding the common difference, this is the formula, that is Tn minus Tn minus 1. That is, if it is n is 4, then this n minus 1 will become T3, third term. Getting me, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And this common difference can be positive also, can be negative also, and even it can be 0. Like one of the example you had seen at the top, that is 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 only. No changes is occurring. That means the common difference is 0. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let's move towards the next page. Okay, here it has been given about AP, same formula it has been given. D is equal to AN minus AN minus 1. That means as we are getting term 1, term 2, term 3, in same way this A1, A2, A3, these all represent the term itself, term 1, term 2, term 3, like this. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now if you will see over here, again few more examples are given, like here, okay, it is increasing 1, 2, 3. Now suppose if it is given like this, 147, 148, 149, dot, 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 157, and if it will be asked which term is 157, how you will be finding? Which term is 157? Of course, that rules I will be explaining now. There is a rules of forming first general term. Do you know what general term means? General term means the formula itself, or you can say the rule itself. Okay, on which number, okay, which term we want, then simply keep that number, you will get that term. Okay,
an is equal to a plus n minus 1 to d, that one, sir.
and now you know here that is what you had said. Yes, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, this is only the formula to form general term. Tn means only general term. Tn is general term.
We can use their an also for general term also, sir.
Yes, we can use an also, of course, as it has been given an.
Yes, sir,
Our
an
area.
has been given.
So Tn or an can be used. So like our here, if you will do the same thing, 157 is equal to a, that means 147 plus, now you have to find the number of terms, n is the number of terms over here. So n minus 1 into d, d is what? Difference is of 1. When you will solve, you will get the value of n. 157 minus 147 is equal to n minus 1. That is, it will become how much? It will become 10 and plus 1. So that is 11th term is how much? 157. And when you will go on writing also, after 129, 50, then 51, 52, 53, in this way you will go and you will count the term, then you will get, of course, that is the 11th term. Got it, students? How to find general term and how to find which number of term is this number, if it is in arithmetic progression then?
Yes, sir.
So now, again I will be going in asking mode. Okay, as I had said earlier only, if anyone will have left, might have left. If not, then I will find it. Okay. When I am saying that when I am going in asking mode, then many students leaves the class. That if sir will ask what I will be doing, so I can see 24
Sir, you do my video
participants now.
fit to frame, sir.
Yes.
You do my video fit to frame.
Yes, Ashish.
Only half part. You are saying my video in full frame. You do my video fit to frame.
Which frame?
On my video there is three button available now. There you
Okay, fit to frame. Okay. Okay. And earlier there was iOS also in video. Of course, everyone should be in video format. Okay. Now what I'm doing is I am bringing. Okay. Of course, gallery mode is going on. If there will be more students, then only large gallery mode will.
Yes,
Okay. So now what I will do is.
sir, my video
Yes,
is
I was
also
going for asking. Yes. So now I'll move towards few students. Okay, yesterday from last I think I had started, is it? So I'll see over here how many students are there and how many had left. 24 participants all together are over here. So after a lot many times Kasak yesterday replied to me. Now Kehkasa Zafar, she is living while being asked.
I am replying, sir.
Yes, you are replying, Kasak. Just I had said that yesterday you replied. But Kehkasa Zafar not replying. Today also, of course, I am not getting her sound. Kehkasa Zafar, can you listen to me? No reply. See? Okay, then I will come towards today after this. Dev Pratik.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, can you tell me which term is this 50 over here? Simply you find and tell me which term. is this 50? Like I had said, this is 11th term over here. So in this arithmetic progression, which term will come as 50? Can you find out?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, say.
700.
Okay, leave it. Simply only you say the formula. An is equal to just now I had said. Okay, I'll move towards another student then. If I'll see over here, Bhavya is there. Bhavya, of course I know she will give the answer.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me An is equal to, what will be the formula?
2n plus 1.
2n plus 1? No. An is not equal to 2n plus 1. Just now I had said An is equal to, there is a formula, general term formula. Okay, now I'll go towards another student then. Azad Singh, he is rarely replying.
Yes, sir.
So, can you tell me what is the general formula, general term formula? An is equal to what?
2n square plus 1.
2n square plus 1? No.
2n plus.
2n plus 1? No. Just now I had said general
A
term
plus
formula.
n minus 1.
Yes, anyone is saying? I think who is saying? Ayush is saying?
Plus n minus 1.
No,
Can
sir,
I say,
I am
sir?
Yes, say.
Sir,
A
A
plus n
plus
minus
n minus
A plus n minus 1
A plus n minus 1?
into D. Common
Yes,
Into
into
D.
D when you will keep, then it will become right. This is the formula for finding general term, where An is known as general term. Okay, and in this An place only we will be keeping 50. We have to find this
Sir,
term
the
number.
answer is 19th term.
19th term. Okay, of course. When you will keep 15, you will get the answer. And first term, A means the first term. That is 950. Plus, and you have to find number of term it has been said to find. D we are knowing what is the common difference, that is minus 50. Common difference is minus 50. Simply you solve this, you will get the answer. When we will solve this, simply you see it will become 950 will come this side, then it will be subtracted. So it will come minus 900 is equal to, okay, minus 50
50
and plus 50. So of course this will come this side, then again it will change. Minus 950 is equal to minus 50 and minus minus got cancelled. 1010 got cancelled. 19 5 the 95, so 19 will become that.
I told nothing.
Yes. So understood everyone how to find?
Yes,
Of
sir.
course,
Yes,
it
sir.
Yes, sir.
such questions comes.
Yes, sir.
So now I will be going to the next student, and Azad Singh had not replied when I had asked. Azad, okay, he's listening. Now can you tell me
Yes.
which term is this 750 over here?
1 into D.
$750 over here, which term it will be? And after that, Avnish Bhagat.
Yes, sir.
So even you can try and you can say me what will be the answer over here. Which term is 715 over here?
I got
Okay.
answer also.
Okay, let Avnish Bhagat or Azad Singh give the answer.
If not, then I will give answer.
Okay. I know your answer will be right only. That's why I am just trying to know either others are also knowing or not.
May I say, sir?
Wait. At last, okay, I will ask two more students, then I will be coming to you. Azad and Avnish, okay, I had already said. Now here,
I cannot tell.
after that, okay, Avnish can't. Okay, so after that, Akash Raj is never replying. Now he is inside the class. Akash, can you listen to me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you tell me the answer? Akash, Alok Sharma.
Yes, sir. 1 minute, I'm telling.
Yes. Even Alok, if you know, then you can give me the answer.
Sir, it is a 15th term. 15th term.
15th term, 1-5. Is it?
12th term.
Sorry, sir.
12th?
Wait, sir.
Yes, sir, 12th term.
Yes.
12 terms.
Pali is saying 12th term. So what is the right answer? Ashish, you are also 12th only came?
Sir, 12 terms.
10th term, sir.
Yes, 12th term. If everyone is saying 12th, then the 12th term will be the right answer. Simply what you will do is 750 is equal to 200. That is A plus n minus 1 time D. D is 50 into 50. So it will become how much?
Sir, my
Up
answer
to
is 10th term, not 12th term.
10th term. Okay, 550. Okay, and then after it will come over here that divided and it will become n minus 1. So 12 is only right answer, I think. 5, 11,
Yes, sir.
12
12 is the right answer.
Yes, sir, 12th term.
12th term it is, not 10th and not 15th
Yes, sir.
also.
12th term.
So, did all of you understood how to find general
Yes,
term?
sir.
Here it has been
Yes,
shown
sir.
also. First term is A, then common difference is there, then second term will become A plus common difference, third term will become A plus 2 common difference, fourth term A plus 3 common difference. So in the same way, nth term will become An will become A plus n minus 1 time D. Or even it can be written as Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is first term and T is general term. It can be fifth, fourth, n value how much, that much term. Okay. So general form of an AP, it has been said, note in the examples A to E above, there are only a finite number of terms. Such an AP is called finite AP, where the number of terms is fixed, where last term is given, that is finite AP. If it is written like this, 2, 4, 6, 8, and then after dot dot dot, that means it is infinite. Last term we are not knowing, it keeps on going. Also note, each of these arithmetic progressions, AP has last term is there. If AP in example 1 to 5 in these sections are not finite APs, so they are called infinite arithmetic progressions. In the APs in examples 1 to 5 in this section are not finite APs. 1 to 5, where it is showing 1 to 5, I think just below it is, these are, but this, here numbering it has not been done. At the top, if you will see, of course last term it has been given A to E. 1 to 5 might be, I think, previous page it is saying where 1 to 5. Yes, here 1 to 5. You will see dot 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 dot, it is given. That means they are infinite. Got it, students?
Yes,
But
sir.
finite AP and infinite AP means? Where last term is non, that is finite. Where last term is not non, that is infinite. Now, to know about AP, what is the minimum information that you need? Is it enough to know the first term? No. By first term, we can't say either the anything is this is a AP term or not. We can't. Or is it enough to know only the common difference? No. Okay, first term and common difference, both it is required. You will find you will know need to know both the first term and the common difference. Then of course after that we can find as many terms we want. Okay. For instance, if term A is 6 and the common difference is 3, then it will become 6, 9, 12, 15, 3, it goes on adding. And if common difference is -3, 3 goes on different subtracting. Okay.
Yes,
Now, okay, as I can see, your time has been also completed. Yes, we had just crossed your time. So now I'll stop recording at first.